Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. This is our 5-day Sculpt challenge. I am so excited. We are doing 5 days on, 2 days off. So you can do this every week, Monday through Friday, or whichever 5 days feel best for you. Let's start lying down on our back. Keep your knees bent as you take some deep breaths. Walk your feet in a little bit closer as you plant your palms and begin to tilt your pelvis up. So just tuck your pelvis and then lift your hips, coming into your bridge pose, squeezing your glutes. And now slowly lower down inch by inch. Untuck your pelvis and let's do that again. So you tuck and then you lift your hips, squeeze, and then you slowly lower down. Now let's remove the tuck and just lift the hips, squeezing at the top and then lowering down. I want you to repeat this and I want you to take your time. Let's do 2 more, and on the last one, we are going to hold it up. Lift your hips, hold it, and now I want you to pulse it up. Squeezing tiny pulses for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower your hips. And let's add on. So I want you to now come back into your bridge pose. Open your legs slightly so that your knees are facing out. Close your legs together and then lower your hips. So you lift your hips, you open the legs, point the knees out, close, and lower back down. You have 8 more. Take your time. This is our last one. So we lift, we open, we close, but let's pulse it up for 8, 7, 6, 5, really squeeze, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower your hips, hug your knees into your chest. Lower your feet back down to the mat as you reach your arms overhead. We are going into some core movements. Reach your arms up and then forward as you lift your chest, reaching forward, and then slowly lower back down. And then your arms go back overhead. Let's do that again. So you reach forward, lifting yourself up, reaching forward, and then slowly lower down. Arms come back overhead. You have 6 more. Take your time. This is our last one, so you reach forward, lift up, and you know we are going to add on a little bit. So I want you to lean back, bring your hands to heart center, twist to your left, and twist to your right. And you already know we are repeating that. So you go left to right. I really want you to lean back and engage those core muscles. We just have 4, 3, last 2, and 1. Reach your arms forward and slowly lower down onto your back. Reach your arms overhead. Walk your feet closer to your glutes as you bring your left leg into a reverse tabletop. Reach your arms up and forward, lifting the shoulders. Lower your arms back down and lower your leg. And now your right leg comes up into your reverse tabletop as you lift your arms and your shoulders for a crunch. Lower your arms and lower your leg. Let's repeat that now, but just make it seamless. So you're just doing these movements at the same time. So when you lift the leg, you are also lifting the arms and the shoulders. Take your time and breathe. Let's just do 2 more. This is our last one. And we're almost done. Let's bring both legs to a reverse tabletop. Lift your arms and your shoulders and pulse for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower down and just hug those knees into your chest. Grab behind your legs as you rock up the length of your spine, coming up into a seated position and then into a tabletop. However you get there is fine. But we are in our tabletop on our hands and knees. Arch your back for cow pose, drop your belly low, look up at the ceiling. And cat pose, round your spine, tuck your chin in towards your chest. Again, cow pose. And cat pose. Come back to your tabletop for your downward facing dog. Send your hips up and back. And you can just bend and straighten each leg, getting the kinks out of your body. Straighten both legs, relax your head, work your heels down to the mat. And now look forward as you step to the top of your mat. Halfway lift, lengthen your spine, hands to shins, and forward fold. Chair pose, sit your hips low, reach your arms up. The weight is in your heels. Flying chair, reach your arms behind you, keep those arms straight. Back to your chair pose. Forward fold. Halfway lift. High plank, plant your palms, step your feet back. Shift forward and lower down onto your belly. Press back up into your high plank. And lower back down onto your belly for your upward facing dog with hips, knees, and thighs off the mat. Back to your downward facing dog. Look forward as you step to the top of your mat. Halfway lift, forward fold, chair pose, and stand up, bringing your arms to your sides. Again, sit back into your chair pose and stand. Let's do that 8 more times so you just have some chair squats. Remember to take your time, complete all your movements. Just 2 more and we are going to hold on our last one. So this is our last one. You already know you pulse it for 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Stay there. Bring your arms into that flying chair. So reach the arms back and I want you to pulse the arms up, keeping the arms straight. Sink a little bit lower in the legs. Do not stand up. You are almost done. You can do this. Just for 3, 2, and 1. Back to your chair pose. Bring your hands to heart center as you step your left foot out into a deeper squat and step back in. And same thing with that right leg out into your squat and back in. Repeat that. So you just step out to the left and back in, into the right and back in, and I want you to stay low. I know your legs are probably burning, but I know that you can do it. Just make sure you are breathing. We are almost done with these. Just give me 1 more. And back into your chair pose and forward fold. Halfway lift. High plank. Shift forward as you lower down onto your belly and back into your high plank. Lower down onto your belly for your upward facing dog. And downward facing dog. 3-legged dog. Send your right leg high, straighten that leg. Shift forward, bringing your knee to your chest. Kick back into your 3-legged dog. Step your foot forward for your low lunge. Reach your arms up for your high crescent lunge. And now bring your hands to heart center as you step your back foot forward, standing up. Step back into your reverse lunge and come back up, step that foot in. And you already know we are repeating that. Let's just do 2 more. And hold on this last one. Reach your arms up. Lower your hands. High plank. Shift forward, lower down onto your belly. Press back into your high plank. Down onto the belly for your upward facing dog. In downward facing dog, we only have one more side. You can do it. Lift that left leg high for your three-legged dog. Shift forward, bringing your knee to your chest. Kick back into your three-legged dog. Step your foot forward for your low lunge. Reach your arms up for your high crescent lunge, and you bring your hands to heart center, stepping that back foot in, standing up. Step back into your reverse lunge, and we stand back up. You already know we are repeating this. You did it on one side. It is time to get it done on the other side. Make sure you're breathing. Just two more. Let's hold this last one. Reach those arms up. Lower your hands, step back to high plank. And let's take some shoulder taps. So just tapping the opposite shoulder. Try not to rock your body side to side. You're gonna rock a little bit, but try not to sway. Just give me two more. Last one. And lower down onto your belly. Press up into your high plank. Lower down onto your belly for your upward facing dog. Let's take a much needed child's pose as we catch our breath, breathing in and out through your nose. Let's come back up for our final exercise, which is our push-ups. I'm gonna do my push-ups on my knees, but feel free to take your push-ups however you want to. Just make sure you hug those elbows into the sides. We have a total of 10 push-ups. You can do it. And when you are done with those push-ups, you come all the way down. Relax your legs, clasp your hands behind you for your locust pose as you lift your chest and your legs. And lower down. Open the legs a little bit, pressing into a full cobra, maybe dropping the head back. Let's have a seat with our legs straight out in front of us. Reach your arms up overhead, flexing the feet, and forward fold. Let's come into a cross-legged position. Side body stretch, lifting your left arm up and over. Switch sides. And relax, coming back to center as you reach your arms up overhead, bringing your hands to heart center for a big inhale, breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. Thank you so much for joining me for day 1 of our 5-day Sculpt challenge. I hope that you enjoyed it, and I'm so excited to see you tomorrow. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.